So he decided to use farming to help other veterans with similar injuries see similar benefits. Been farming for years. Before I was elected president, I represented Illinois, home of a couple of your Big Ten rivals, but also a big farming state.
We all know how concerned we were when it came to farming, agriculture, or to cultural products.
There are three things that make farming work in California, according to Joe: soil, water, and people. And in the little free time they have, Joe and Maria work to improve the health and safety of farm workers.
That farm, we apply technology to traditional farming. Very simple stuff like from tracking to automation and basic